Alright. Sorry I haven't posted anything in a couple days. It's been busier than hell. So today we have a 2005 Nissan Altima, blue in color. And she's got oil all in her. Smart. Let me see if I can get a flashlight. Got one on here. This might work. These two don't have nothing in them, and well, this one still does. Cover up the spark plug. Well, now when this happens, usually it's just a valve cover gasket leaking, and as you can tell on this one, it sure is leaking. First thing you're going to do is take the coil packs off. After that, then you're going to want to get all the oil out, because you don't want that oil going down into your cylinders after you pull the spark plug. So I'm going to go ahead and take and drain the oil out of them, and I'll be right back. Alrighty. So, a little trick I've learned over the years, unless you have one of the magnetic ends that will just pull the spark plug out with it or lock it in place with it. I've seen those, but for most people who are watching these videos, it's going to be backyard mechanics. That's who will be watching these videos. So, backyard tricks. So what you do is you loosen it, take a rubber hose. I call this my spark plug hose. Push it down on it. And you just twist it. Twist and twist and twist and twist and twist some more. And there she is.
It looks just like a man.
Alright guys, I didn't really move that far ahead without you. Now, there will be ten bolts on the valve cover itself holding it in. Two, and they just kind of, replicate each other. 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2. Alright. Now, on the back here, there's a little tiny hose that you will disconnect, and then obviously you'll disconnect any of these. And then there she is, folks. Now all I'm going to do, put the new valve gasket on there, and I'll be ready to rock and roll. Put everything back together. I hope you enjoyed this video, and have a good day.